Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to allow camera access on Snapchat, which means if you open Snapchat and you see this kind of error, then how you can fix that. Basically this kind of error occurs when you do not allow the permission of camera to Snapchat, which means you have to simply provide the permission of the camera to Snapchat to work it perfectly, otherwise it will not be used perfectly. So how you can allow the camera access to the Snapchat? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app, and after that you have to simply click on app info. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the permissions here, and here you can see that there is the written permission, that how many permission you have allowed to the Snapchat. Now if you have not provided the camera permission, which means it is written that Snapchat has to always ask while using the camera. So if you select that, then every time it will ask you about the camera permission. But if you click on allow only while using the app, then you can simply click on the Snapchat and it will not ask you about the camera permission. In this way you can simply provide allow camera access to the Snapchat without any problem. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.